Good morning. Next article, slew rate. Slew rate. We use operational amplifier. Operational amplifier can be used for amplification of DC voltage. Operational amplifier can be used for amplification of various AC voltages. It may be sinusoidal, square, sawtooth, whatever may be the type of AC voltage. All voltages, all types of voltages can be amplified by using operational amplifier. This is because bandwidth of operational amplifier is infinity. It gives required and constant amplitude of the output voltage for any type of input voltage. This is an ideal prediction. This is ideal interpretation. Practically, it is not possible. When we apply some step voltage of high frequency, inter-electrode capacitances will develop. We know that in integrated circuits, no capacitors are used, because of which in the block diagram of operational amplifier we used the level shifter, emitter follower with constant current source, to bring the voltage back to its original value with respect to ground. This is because capacitors are not fabricated in integrated circuits. Then where from capacitors are coming in this operational amplifier? When we apply high frequency voltages, inter-electrode capacitances will be developed automatically, and these capacitors will take certain time to charge for the input voltage, and therefore there is delay in the production of output voltage. There is delay in the feedback given to at the input of the operational amplifier. Because of this delay in the feedback, the output voltage of the operational amplifier instantly goes to saturation. The output in saturation will be distorted. Why distorted? It is not perfect replica of the input. It is not perfect image of the input. If output is not image of the input, output is distorted. This is happening because of the capacitor takes some time to slew in the input voltage. It takes some time to charge to the input voltage and then pass this voltage to the output through the operational amplifier. This is known as a slew rate. While talking about ideal characteristics of an operational amplifier, we stated that slew rate of an operational amplifier is infinity, meaning that when you apply the input voltage, at the same time you will get the output voltage. There is no delay at all. Within zero time, input passes to output. Whatever operation you wanted to do on the input will be performed in zero time and the output is made available. Practically, this is not true. Input takes certain time to reach to the output. This is delay. Because of this delay, there may be distortion in the output. Slew rate is defined as the maximum rate of change of the output voltage. If S is used for slew rate, it is maximum rate of change of output voltage with respect to time. That is S is equal to dVo by dt. And it is defined for operational amplifiers in microvolt per second. Second is very large time. You may consider this in millisecond, microsecond. Millisecond, microsecond is also large time when we are talking about the electrical transients. When we are talking about the electrical components, I mean electrical current, electrical voltage, etc. We want to find expression for this slew rate, and at the same time we wanted to show how this slew rate S affects the performance of an operational amplifier. Let us suppose that we are amplifying sine voltage and the output obtained is Vo is equal to Vo sine omega t. Let us suppose the input is V is equal to Vo sine omega t. Then dVo by dt, rate of change of the output voltage with the change of input voltage will be Vo into omega cos omega. But S is not only dVo by dt. S is maximum of dVo by dt. For this to be maximum, dt should be very, very small. For this to be maximum, this should be very, very small. And this will be small, I mean this should be unity when I have omega 2 is equal to 0. Whenever we have omega t is equal to 0, sin omega t is 1. That is, if t is 0, omega t is equal to 0, cos omega t is equal to 1. And then this can be written as S is equal. Now this will become S. dVo by dt max, and this will be equal to Vo omega. That is, the slew rate S is equal to Vo 2 pi omega. The angular frequency is given by 2 pi f. Now, depending on the value of S, Vo and F are affected. Let us see how. From this equation, Vo is equal to S divided by 2 pi F. If we want more and more value of Vo, the denominator should be small. 2 pi is constant. Frequency of operation should be very, very small. Then only this term will be large, that gives us Vo large, amplitude of output voltage large. It means that amplitude of output voltage will be large if frequency of operation is small. It means that there comes a restriction on the frequency of operation of the operational amplifier. If we want larger amplitude of the output voltage, we have to sacrifice the frequency. If we want to operate the operational amplifier at higher frequency, I may write this as f is equal to S divided by 2 pi Vo. 2 pi is constant. If I want frequency f larger, then this Vo should be small. It means that either frequency or amplitude of output voltage has to sacrifice for undistorted output. Yes, practically could not be infinity. Ideally, it may be taken as infinity. Practically, it is not infinity because this time dt is not zero. It is finite time, maybe in milli or microsecond. It is finite time. Because of this thing happens. Either the amplitude of output voltage or the frequency of operation f, one of these two has to sacrifice. Then only we will get the undistorted output voltage. Output voltage will be perfect replica of the input voltage. So these things will happen because of this slew rate. Whenever we try to use higher frequencies or step voltage, one of these two things will occur. Either we have to sacrifice amplitude of the output voltage or frequency of operation of the operational amplifier. So this is about slew rate of the operational amplifier. While discussing the ideal characteristics, we have taken this slew rate as infinity. Practically, it is not infinity. It can be made maximum. It can be made more by decreasing this time from milli to micro, maybe from micro to nano, but not zero. The time of passage of input voltage to the output side is never zero. It may be very, very small, but it will be there, and therefore S will not be infinity. S may be large, but it is always finite, because of which there is a restriction on frequency of operation or the amplitude of the output voltage of the operational amplifier. This is about the slew rate of operational amplifier. Hope you got it. Thank you.